Hey guys, today I'm showing you 3 go-to outfits for riding your motorcycle, whatever the weather. First up, my everyday outfit: comfy t-shirt, jogging pants, and some durable shoes perfect for quick rides. Next, the summer outfit: long sleeves and breathable pants to stay cool and protected from the sun. And finally, the rainy or cold weather outfit: a windbreaker hydrophobic jacket, cargo pants, and quick dry shoes to keep you dry and warm. No matter the season, I've got you covered. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.